guys, today we have our Toyster as unboxing Robo alive. Again, unboxing Toyster as like last time we do our Transformers Maximal. We get this Cobra. This is Robo alive Zoo Cobra King. My eyes look super real. My tongue flicks. I slither and slide like a real King Cobra. Here, my eyes look super real. My tongue flicks as I hunt. I slither like a real snake. I slither and slide like a real King Cobra. See you on my next video next time. We'll unbox more Robo Alive and battery operated. This is our, again, these are my others. We'll open.
Pause.
And we'll open. My daddy already got it. So it's right here. Wait. King Cobra. Weird. What instructions there for? That's easy. The pretty snake. It's been cutted. And let me try to cut it right here.
Ako na.
Oops!
Wait.
One in the tail. Cut! Oops! Another right. Okay, that's fine. My dad will cut it. Whoa! The King Cobra is so cool. And it has his wheels right here that look pretty cool. But where are you gonna put the battery? Ay, dito pala lalagay yung battery. Dito. You're gonna put the battery here, but where?
Try to turn it on. Wala pa.
Dito mo siya tatanggal, tapos kukuha mo yung battery dyan.
Wait.
Ako na.
Go.
To do it, you need to press this and get the batteries here. Like this, you need a screw, bent help, and okay.
Yeah, put the battery na.
This one right here. The other one.
Go.
We will press the button again and stick it. Oops. Press the button again to stick it. Right there. Right there, and then right here. Look, it flicks out and in. It moves and the tongue flicks like this.
Go there sa dulo. Tapos papuntahin mo siya dito. Remove the Toys R Us na paper bag.
Three, two, one. This is not my other toys, right? But this is a cool one. Robo alive. Whoa! Hey! Hey. Go this way. Okay. Snake body. Okay, we will put this snake and put the giant caterpillar and compare them. These have more wheels. Let's compare how long. Oh, the snake is this. To this, and this one is to this. What is that open? Don't worry about that. That caterpillar. What? We have a snake. Let's check it out. It's there. Okay. my dad will show it how the snake looks.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Pwede pakita na natin yung iba. Ang tiny naman na switch niya. Look, the switch is so tiny. Okay. This is so cool. It this sort of it. But why this not move? Okay, let's clean it. Right, look, it's not moving. If you put it like this, it will move. But wow, King Cobra. Wow, King Cobra. This is my King Cobra, and let's check into my largest one, this caterpillar. This is its controller. And then let's find out again. Let's now find about. Let's talk about first for my snake before the others. Let's play the others. Dali ba tapat yung fan?
Ikaw. Dapat mo. Buksan mo na lang yun. Ayun na. Buksan mo rin yun.
And what? This snake. This my granny don't like snakes, but I thought it's bad. She thought it's bad. No, she did this like this. What? Is this nice? Comment down below. Going inside. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching our Robo Alive. And don't forget about to like and subscribe. And this is my Stegosaurus Robo Alive. And this Cobra one we recently bought, the one we unboxed. Bye! Bye, like and subscribe.